Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I will show you a notification library inside Toast notification library for Vue 3, and you can see just show success, error, notifications, info, warning with icons. So you can see the icon will display alongside with your error message and a cross icon. It will display for 2-3 seconds and then it will automatically go away, or you can close it by clicking these cross buttons. This is actually the package, guys. You can use this. The name of the package is NotiVue. It's an open source Toast notification library for Vue 3, and they do have a website. So they have a great little demo website. You can try out all their demo. You can see that these are different actions that it supports. Someone, let's suppose they've sent you a request, then they will show you this message, nice little. So your file is being uploaded. If you want to show this as well, you can like this 1 minute ago. So in this way you can show this. So it's a pretty good library. So I will show you a very simple package example here. So once you install this, you first of all register it by going to main.ts file, and just we will require it by using the import statement. So import, and then we will notification css, we will import this, and then the animations as well. So you can see it has various css files for the progress bars, notification, animations as well. And now we need to include the animations as well, and then initialize this. It contains this create NotiVue, which will contain automatically import it. So now we need to pass it as a middleware, so app.use. That's all. So this is all the configuration which is needed. If we import the css, then we import this, and then we pass it as a middleware. So now you can close this file, come to your Vue file, and now wherever you need to display this, we have the template tag, and just give it an ID here, and we'll just say, and now we'll be having a series of buttons, and for showing the success notification, we will bind an on click. So when you click this button, we will simply call this by push.success, and success operation completed. You just need to put single quotes here. So this is your one button, and if you refresh it, click on that, the message will not show because we do need to initialize by writing the TypeScript code. So right in the script tag, we import NotiVue, this one, notification, and also the push. All will be coming from this package. So just add this imports line here, and hopefully, so just add the setup type. So setup, just add this. Let me see what is the error. Just, I think I made some kind of typo mistake. Just wait. If you refresh, now you can see that the success callback shows. I have given the full source code, guys, in the description of this video. So one thing I was missing, guys, that was the problem. We do need to, after defining all these buttons, for showing this notification, we need to embed this component. So NotiVue, and it has a closing and an opening tag, and then here we specify vslot directive, which is an item, And here we provide our notification, and it actually takes this item, which is the actual item. So we are using this NotiVue component notification, we are showing it. So depending upon, you will see in this easy way you can show these toast notification messages using this package NotiVue. So apart from that, I just showed you this. They do offer all sort of notification messages. You can change the background color, change the positioning as well. At any position you can check out their official documentation and check out more options as well. So thank you very much for watching this video, and do check out my website as well, freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools regarding audio, video and image. And I will be seeing you guys in the next video.